You're sitting in an important Zoom call. You've got great ideas, solid answers, but all anyone can think about is how grainy and blurry you look on screen. It kills your credibility before you even open your mouth. Don't let a bad webcam hold you back. In today's video, I've ranked the 5 best webcams for Zoom that will make you look sharp, clear, and professional every single time. Number 5. Logitech Brio 500. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Logitech Brio 500, and this one's perfect if you're the kind of person who just wants to plug in and look good. No fuss, no complicated settings. It shoots in full HD 1080p at 30 FPS with a 4-megapixel sensor and Logitech's Right Light 4 technology, which automatically adjusts your lighting whether you're backlit by a window or sitting in a dim home office. That alone is a huge deal for most people. In real-world Zoom calls, the Brio 500 does exactly what it promises. Faces look natural, well-lit, and clear. The auto-framing feature called Right Sight even keeps you in the shot if you stand up or move around, which is genuinely useful. The dual noise-reducing mics are surprisingly solid for a webcam, and the physical privacy shutter is a nice touch for peace of mind. 4. Insta360 Link. Coming in at number 4 is the Insta360 Link, and this one is for people who want their webcam to do a little more. The big headline here is the 3-axis gimbal. Yes, an actual motorized gimbal that physically rotates to follow your face as you move. Pair that with 4K 30 FPS video and a 1/2-inch sensor with phase detection autofocus, and you've got a webcam that practically does the camera work for you. On Zoom, the difference is noticeable. The image is incredibly sharp. The HDR mode handles backlit settings really well, and the AI tracking means you never disappear from frame if you shift around in your chair. The desk view and whiteboard modes are legitimately useful for presentations too. You can tilt the camera down to show documents on your desk, which is hard to do with most webcams. Number 3. Elgato Facecam Neo. At number 3, we've got the Elgato Facecam Neo, and this one punches way above its price point. It records in 1080p at up to 60 FPS, which gives your video a noticeably smoother, more lifelike look compared to the standard 30 FPS. The 1/2.9-inch CMOS sensor and f2.0 autofocus lens produce crisp, accurate colors, and the HDR mode, accessible through Elgato's free Camera Hub software, handles challenging lighting conditions really impressively. What makes it stand out for Zoom users is the plug-and-play simplicity. It works with Windows, Mac, and even iPads. Just plug it in and you're good. The Elgato Camera Hub software is genuinely one of the better webcam apps out there, giving you control over ISO, shutter speed, and white balance like a proper camera. You can save settings directly to the camera's onboard memory, so your setup travels with you. Number 2. Elgato Facecam Pro. Number 2 is the Elgato Facecam Pro, and stepping up to this one is a serious upgrade. We're talking true 4K at 60 FPS, and as of this video, that combination is still rare in the webcam world. It's powered by a Sony Starvis 1.8-inch CMOS sensor with an f2.0 aperture, which delivers exceptional detail and natural background separation. On a Zoom call, you will look like you're broadcasting from a studio. The autofocus is fast and accurate, and the face tracking, enabled through Elgato Camera Hub, does a great job of keeping you sharp and centered, even when you lean forward or to the side. The 90-degree field of view is ideal for desk setups, and you get pan, tilt, and zoom controls without losing quality, because with 4K, you have pixels to spare. The Camera Hub software gives you DSLR-level control, adjusts shutter speed, ISO, white balance, and contrast in real time. Number 1. Razer Kiyo Pro Ultra. And at number 1, the best webcam for Zoom that absolutely will not look grainy, the Razer Kiyo Pro Ultra. This webcam is in a class of its own. It packs the largest image sensor ever put into a dedicated webcam, a Sony Starvis 2 1x1.2-inch sensor with a massive f1.7 aperture. What does that mean in practice? It captures nearly 4 times more light than a typical webcam, producing image quality that is genuinely DSLR-like. On Zoom calls, the difference is immediately obvious. Colors are rich and accurate, skin tones look natural, and the background gets a real optical bokeh blur, not a software fake, which makes you stand out cleanly from whatever's behind you. It records 4K at 30 FPS or 1080p at 60 FPS, and the AI-powered face tracking keeps you locked in sharp focus even as you move. The integrated twist-to-close privacy shutter is one of the most elegant designs I've seen on any webcam. All the links to every webcam featured in today's video are in the description below. Go check them out and grab the one that fits your setup and budget. If you're also looking to upgrade your audio, make sure to watch my next video on the best microphone for YouTube under $150. As always, if this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you there.